Welcome to English Learning Community. Today's story is about two close friends, a donkey and a dog, who ran away to find freedom. But what they found instead was something very different. Keep listening till the end for a powerful message and a bonus English tip. Once upon a time, in a small village between green hills and muddy rivers, there lived a donkey and a dog. The donkey's name was Bolu, and the dog's name was Sheru. They lived with a farmer named Master G, who had a big house, a large field, and a loud voice. Bolu worked in the fields every day. He carried heavy bags of wheat and big bundles of firewood on his back. Sheru guarded the house. He barked at strangers, chased monkeys away, and stayed awake all night. They were friends, good friends. After a long day, they would sit near the mango tree and talk. My back hurts again, Bolu said one evening, lying down slowly. Sheru sighed. My throat is dry. I barked too much today. Both looked at the stars. Do you think we deserve this? Bolu asked. We work hard, but still. We eat the smallest food, Sheru replied. Sometimes I feel like we are not animals. We are machines, Bolu said sadly. Their lives were full of work. No rest, no respect. Every time they asked for food, Master G shouted, Work more! No work, no food! One rainy morning, something inside them changed. Bolu stood near the muddy field, carrying 3 heavy sacks. Sheru was wet, shivering, guarding the gate. They looked at each other. Let's run away, Bolu whispered. Sheru blinked. What? Run? Where? Anywhere. Jungle, mountain, far from here. At least we'll be free. Sheru thought for a second, then nodded. Yes, let's go tonight. That night, while Master G was snoring, Bolu and Sheru quietly left the house. No more heavy loads, no more barking, no more shouts. They crossed the village, the river, and the farms, and entered the jungle. At first, it felt amazing. The jungle was wide, the trees were tall, the air was fresh. Ah, freedom, Bolu laughed. No ropes, no work, no Master G. Sheru danced. For a few days, they explored the forest. They drank water from a stream. They slept under the stars. They chased butterflies and sang songs. This is life, Bolu shouted one morning. But slowly, things changed. One night, it rained heavily. Their fur was wet. Their bodies shivered. The ground was cold. No roof, no dry blanket. The next day, they searched for food. I'm hungry, Sheru said, sniffing around. Let's find fruits, Bolu replied. But they found nothing, only dry leaves and bitter roots. No roti, no dal, no bones, no wheat. Sheru found a small piece of mango. He took one bite and stopped. It's rotten. Days passed. They grew thin. Their eyes became dull. Their energy faded. One evening, Bolu tripped on a stone and fell. Ow! Sheru ran to help him. Are you okay? My leg hurts, Bolu said slowly. I can't walk. Sheru sat beside him. Both were quiet. Maybe freedom is not just running away, Sheru whispered. Maybe it's about living with purpose, with care, Bolu added. That night, Sheru spoke. I miss the old village, even the loud Master G. I miss the mango tree, Bolu said. I miss the warm roti. They looked at the stars again, but now the stars didn't smile. They only reminded them of their old life. The next morning, Sheru stood up. His legs were weak, but his heart was strong. Let's go back. Bolu looked up. Really? Yes, we made a mistake. We ran from work, but forgot that work gave us food and meaning. But what if Master G is angry? Bolu asked. Then we'll say sorry, Sheru replied. It's better to return and fix things than to suffer forever. Bolu nodded. So they started walking back, step by step. It took 2 full days. Their legs were sore, their stomachs empty, but their minds were clear. As they reached the village, children stared. Look, Shiru and Bolu! They came back! Word spread fast. Master G came out holding a stick. You left me after everything I did? Sheru walked forward. We are sorry. Truly. We were tired, lost. But now, we are ready to work with honesty. Bolu added, we realized running away didn't solve anything. It made things worse. Master G looked at their tired faces, their thin bodies, their honest eyes. He sighed. I should have treated you better too, he said. I shouted too much, forgot you were living beings. He dropped the stick. Let's start fresh, he said. From that day, things changed. Bolu still carried loads, but Master G gave him soft padding and lighter bags. Sheru still guarded the house, but he got warm milk every evening. They worked, but they were seen. They obeyed, but they were respected. And every night near the mango tree, they sat again. This time, not with pain, but with peace. Because they had learned something big. Freedom is not just running away. It's knowing your worth and standing up for yourself, even if it means coming back with courage. Emma here again. What a journey, right? Guilt can break you, but if you're brave enough to return and make things right, life gives you a second chance. And here's your English tip. While listening to any story, try to repeat key lines out loud. It helps your speaking and memory together. Did you enjoy today's story? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English stories.